And now I have with me the country's biggest banker, the State Bank of India Chairman, Mr. C. Setty. Mr. Setty, thank you very much for sparing time on a very busy day for you. Well, my first question to you is, do you see any big recovery in the market? The governor has actually pushed up the growth forecasts in the old series by 20 basis points. Are you getting a sense that we are on the throes of better growth?
First of all, thank you, Latha, for having me on your show. And the growth, upsizing the growth rate, as well as the fact that the governor has indicated we are in a situation where very modest inflation backed by a good growth rate is a very good situation to be in. And the numbers what RBI has also given in the last fortnight indicates that the credit growth rate in the system is progressing well. And I think it's very positive feeling of what we are all getting in the economy.
Okay. He also did not give any relief to people who were expecting he will do a VRRR, a variable rate reverse repo. At the moment, the call rate and the TREPS rate is almost 1 percentage point below the repo rate. Any response to that?
So the governor was very clear that preemptive, he has used the word preemptive liquidity support will be given. I think I latch onto that word and would go by his promise that the sufficient liquidity will be there in the system. As we speak, liquidity is surplus by almost 3 lakh crore. And if that liquidity support is available, and which is required in this particular quarter, as you know, Q3 and Q4, generally the banking sector witnesses very good credit growth rates.
Yes.
And this time around, we are seeing continued credit growth rates which are robust in the system. So which means that sufficient liquidity support in the system is extremely critical. And the very fact that the governor really clearly mentioned that preemptive measures will be taken to provide liquidity is a very good positive development for us.